Akon, the original Scarface.
Giving you the exit plan.
Cause I ain't ever change on you motherfuckers. An OG spitting game on you motherfuckers. You should be ashamed like a motherfucker. The streets packed with all these lame little motherfuckers. And everybody wanna be a heart stopper. You won't find too many riding out without a chopper. They end up dead or somewhere in lockup, where somebody will break them off something proper.
These youngsters think that I'm so cool. They wanna learn the game from my old school. I give them strategies to sleep on, so when they put me in the grave, they can keep on. Now first on your checklist, be your own man, cause your friends ain't shit. They only come around when they need to. Use that homeboy shit to deceive you. Remember, you don't owe nobody. Niggas quick to bite the hand and feed, that's your body. And they forgetting how they got there. This is life, it's a game, but it's not fair. It's hard enough trying to get by, day to day struggling with shit so you get high. And staying drunk on the regular, talking dope talk on your cellular. But in this game, that's a no-no. The streets ain't the only ones watching, taking photos. And life ain't bitches and money. This life's about getting this money. Because that bitch is a problem. Can't live with and can't live without her. My advice is you would stay on your grind. Keep that bitch on her back and you'll bank on your mind, nigga.
Cause I ain't ever change on you motherfuckers. An OG spitting game on you motherfuckers. You should be ashamed like a motherfucker. The streets packed with all these lame little motherfuckers. And everybody wanna be a heart stopper. You won't find too many riding out without a chopper. They end up dead or somewhere in lockup, where somebody will break them off something proper.
And we don't talk to police. That's the #1 rule in the streets. So if you can't do the time, then you don't do the crime. Nigga, keep the streets quiet. You don't upstrap unless you have to. Bullshitting with these niggas and they clap you. You go revenge somebody, just dig 2 graves just in case it's 2 bodies. And never bring a stick to a gunfight. 1 shot, 1 kill, you get 1 life. And shitting where you sleep ain't an option. People knowing where you sleep, that's a problem. You got to watch these niggas. They ain't your homeboys, not these niggas. First chance you call sleep, they can murk you. So don't put squares in your circle, cause these streets don't love nobody. You gotta pay attention to the signs, Johnny. If you a weak nigga, don't try to play hard. Better keep your punk ass out the yard.
Cause I ain't ever change on you motherfuckers. An OG spitting game on you motherfuckers. You should be ashamed like a motherfucker. The streets packed with all these lame little motherfuckers. And everybody wanna be a heart stopper. You won't find too many riding out without a chopper. They end up dead or somewhere in lockup, where somebody will break them off something proper.
And don't get fronted, just avoid that. But if you have to, pay them boys back. Cause niggas ain't playing, it's a drought. The border is closed and cash running out. And broke motherfuckers make the best crooks. Every nigga in the way getting shook. You got to play the game by the book, or fuck around and your life getting took. And last but not least, when you make that money, keep a low pro, don't say shit, dummy. And don't say shit to your girlfriend. Pillow talk or send your ass to the state pen. Take notes to the game I'm providing. Stop using mama name trying to hide shit. Nigga, them fans ain't stupid. You ain't the only nigga trying to do this. Riding around the hood in a photo, flying spur on rims trying to showboat. You drawing too much attention, and then be surprised when you catch a life sentence. The game is a thing that you boys should be proud of, but once you in it, it's hard to get out of. And greed kill a nigga like a gun do, so when you get a chance to make a break for it, run, fool.